How to sell crypto on Robinhood. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pippin Bestnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can sell crypto on Robinhood. Now, first things first, you want to go to the application and then you want to navigate to the detailed page of the cryptocurrency here. Then you want to tap on trade option. Once you tap on trade, now unfortunately I'm not verified and I haven't added funds, so I'll not get the particular option that I'm saying you. But you want to head into trade option, and under trade you want to head into the sell option. So once you do so, what you want to do is you want to look in the upper right corner and tap on order types. You want to choose the order type that you prefer, and then you want to confirm your order. Once you have confirmed your order, you'll be able to submit the order and you will have to swipe upwards. So your order will be placed and you'll be able to sell your crypto in this way. So this way you can sell your crypto on Robinhood. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.